Good morning.
As we approach Apple's highly anticipated September event, it's time to delve into the latest features of the products that the tech giant has in store. Historically, this event Apple's most significant of the year, and it appears that the upcoming one will continue this tradition of excitement. Today, we'll be exploring the anticipated releases, including the iPhone 16 series, the 4th generation AirPods, and the latest Apple Watch models. Let's start with the iPhone 16 lineup. Apple is gearing up to launch 4 new models: the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. The standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will be priced under $1,000, while the more advanced iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will exceed the $1,000 mark. For the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, the design will be quite familiar. It will sport the same 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch OLED screens as their predecessors, with the ever-popular Dynamic Island feature. The overall design will maintain the rounded aluminum edges that we've seen before. However, Apple is introducing a notable change. The traditional mute switch is being replaced by a new action button. This new button will allow users to customize its function, providing greater flexibility and control. On the color front, Apple is making a shift. Pastel colors introduced last year will be retired and replaced by a more vibrant palette. Expect to see a bright new turquoise, a returning pink, and the classic white and black. These will be the color options available at launch. Turning to the rear of the iPhone 16, there's a significant redesign of the camera system. It will now feature a vertical stack, a nod to the iPhone X design, which many find visually striking. This new camera arrangement will enable the capture of spatial 3D video, viewable on the Apple Vision Pro. A new capture button will be added below the power switch, dedicated solely to taking photos and recording videos, enhancing the user's ability to capture moments effortlessly. The most substantial upgrade for the iPhone 16 series is the introduction of the A18 chip. This new processor will enable support for Apple's latest intelligence features, such as Gen emojis, text generation, and image creation. This chip will be a significant reason for upgrading, as it brings new capabilities to the device. For those considering spending a bit more, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will offer their own set of enhancements. While their overall look may not change drastically, the screens will be slightly larger at 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches, respectively, with extremely thin bezels that create a futuristic appearance. The titanium body might also see an increase in shine, according to some rumors. The color options for the Pro models seem a bit subdued, with only white, gray, and black being confirmed. There have been persistent rumors about a potential return of a rose gold option, but it hasn't been confirmed or seen in any leaked images yet. Battery life improvements are another highlight. At least one of the Pro models will feature a substantial battery upgrade, transitioning from a plastic battery casing to a metal one. This change will enhance heat dissipation and energy density, resulting in a roughly 10% increase in battery capacity for the smaller iPhone 16 Pro. This improvement is expected to address the previous issues with battery life in the smaller Pro model. Moreover, iPhone 16 Pro will also gain the 5x telephoto zoom lens, previously exclusive to the Pro Max. This addition will allow users to take incredibly detailed photos, and the 48-megapixel sensor will extend to the ultra-wide lens, significantly boosting photo quality. Similar to the standard models, the Pro versions will also feature the new capture button. This button will be touch and pressure sensitive, mirroring the functionality of a traditional digital camera, and will likely be a favorite feature among users. The iPhone 16 Pro models will benefit from the new A18 Pro chip, which is rumored to include an additional GPU core for improved performance. This chip will support all the latest Apple Intelligence features, and there might be some exclusive functionalities available only to the newest iPhone, potentially leaving older models behind. Next up, let's talk about the AirPods 4. 4th generation of AirPods is set to be revealed, and we're expecting a significant update. The new AirPods 4 are anticipated to come in 2 versions: a basic model and a higher-end version with advanced features. The basic AirPods 4 will closely resemble the current 3rd generation model, maintaining their familiar design and functionality. However, the more premium version will introduce active noise cancellation for the first time in this price range. This model will also feature the H2 chip, enhancing both battery life and audio quality. The higher-end AirPods 4 will come with a new case design, which includes a speaker for locating the case more easily, and likely supports a lanyard loop. A notable change is the shift from Lightning USB-C charging, aligning the AirPods with Apple's broader move towards USB-C across its product line. This change will simplify the charging process, as users will be able to use the same cable for multiple devices. Now, let's turn our attention to the Apple Watch X. This new model is set to mark the 10-year anniversary of the Apple Watch, and it will come in 45mm and 49mm sizes. The design will see some minor adjustments, with the body potentially being slightly thicker or thinner based on various rumors. Speaker grille will be split into two separate openings, which may improve sound quality. Although the design changes may be subtle, there are significant rumors about new health features being developed. One of the anticipated features is blood pressure monitoring, which could be a groundbreaking addition to Apple Watch users. However, recent reports suggest that Apple has encountered some last-minute challenges, and this feature might be delayed or not available this year. Another potential feature is sleep apnea tracking, but it's also rumored to be facing significant development hurdles and is unlikely to be included in this year's model. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is also on the horizon, but major design changes are not expected. This model will include a faster chip, and while no major redesigns are anticipated, there might be a new space black color. A noteworthy rumor is the possibility of adding emergency SOS via satellite to the Apple Watch Ultra. This feature, which has been speculated for some time, would be extremely beneficial for users in remote areas without cell service. Lastly, there might be an updated version of the Apple Watch SE. This model could potentially be made from plastic instead of aluminum, aiming to reduce costs. The new SE might come in bright colors, catering to families and children. To sum up, Apple's September event promises to be a major affair. The iPhone 16 series, AirPods 4, and new Apple Watches all set to make their debut. Although the exact date for the event hasn't been officially announced, it's likely to occur on Tuesday, September 10th, 2024, based on Apple's historical pattern for September events. Stay tuned for official announcements, and prepare for an exciting array of new Apple. What are you most excited about from Apple's upcoming event? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and detailed coverage. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, Grounded Tech.